As far as women doing makeup, per se, makeup is permitted for women as long as they do not break any of the conditions of the Islamic Sharia. And you can speak for long on this, but to make the answer short, there are basically 4 requirements. Number 1, that when a woman does makeup, it should not be done in front of a na-mahram man. The best person she can do makeup is for a husband. If the husband wants her and she does, it's good, it's mustab. If he says she has to do, it becomes compulsory. So no problem. She doing makeup in front of other women, no problem at all. She doing makeup in front of other mahram like father or son or brother, no problem at all. But she doing makeup in front of na-mahram is prohibited. Now in this particular situation, if a Muslimah is doing hijab, and if she agrees with the view that doing niqab is farz for her when she comes in front of the na-mahram, then if she is doing makeup and if she is covering a complete face, then no problem at all. If she is coming in front of na-mahram and she is doing niqab, she is covering her face completely, and behind the veil is the makeup. When she goes to the ladies, she removes the niqab, it's perfectly fine. But if she belongs to that school of thought, or those who believe that hijab is fard, but covering the face is not fard, and if she exposes the face, the other part of the body is completely covered, except the face and the hands up to the wrist is exposed, then in this case, she cannot do makeup on her face. Because if she's doing makeup on her face and she's coming in front of the general public where na-mahram are there, then she cannot do makeup. If she's not covering her face, yes, then she should see to it that if a makeup is on, she doesn't go outside. She can do makeup only where there are ladies or where her mahram are there. Putting makeup, coming, if she is wearing a hijab in which she considers that face veil is not a fard and she exposes the face, then if she does makeup and comes out in a public area where na-mahram are there, then it's haram. But if it's only done exclusively, where there are ladies, it's permitted, or in front of mahram, it's permitted. So the first criteria is that it should not be done in the presence of na-mahram men who can see her. Number 2, the makeup that a woman does, it should not contain things which are haram. It should not contain things which are najis. It should not be made of animal fats which are not slaughtered in the Islamic Sharia way. So all those which are haram, it cannot contain pig material. So if it contains anything which is haram in the Sharia, which is najis, then that particular makeup cannot be used. If the makeup doesn't contain anything which is haram and permitted in the Sharia, then that makeup is permitted. Point number 2. Point number 3, the makeup they do should not cause harm to the human body. Many makeup which you do, it may cause immediate harm or it can cause harm in the long run. If you keep on continuously wearing makeup every day, then you may realize that after a few months or after a few years, your skin gets completely distorted. So if that makeup is going to cause harm or causes some illness or causes damage to your body, then such makeup should not be used, even if it's done in front of women or in front of mahram, it's not permitted, because you're not allowed to cause loss to your body. And the 4th condition is that the makeup you do should not be permanent. It should be temporary. If you do makeup like a tattoo, then a Prophet said there are many hadiths, and I discussed that in my previous answer, that tattooing is wrong. So the makeup that you do should be temporary. You cannot do a cosmetic surgery and for face upliftment and only for beautification, and you take out skin and place somewhere. So these things, cosmetic surgery only for beautification, doesn't bring any benefit for health, it's prohibited. So any permanent method of makeup is prohibited, like tattoo, cosmetic surgery only for beautification. For a surgery done for the benefit of the health, it's permitted. So if these 4 conditions are fulfilled, then the woman can do makeup as long as it doesn't go against any of the teachings of the Sharia. Hope that answers the question.